as we're looking at this quadratic 5x squared plus 6 equals 12x, the first thing I would do, let me just leave this as 5x squared, little space in here, plus 6, but I would subtract 12x to the left side is equal to 0. Now you could try to factor this. I'm going to do the AC method where 5 times 6 gives me 30, but I'm not sure if any factors of 30 would give me 12. Like I could try 6 and 5, but that's 11. I could try 10 and 3, but that's 13. So I'm thinking what I need is the quadratic formula, where x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 12 squared is 144, minus 4ac all over 2a. And as I'm double checking that 144 times 4